Chocolate lovers, get ready to have your dreams come to life. The Kit Kat Chocolatory has opened in Toronto. It's the first one in Yorkdale, right? Which is great to see.
Yeah, our own BT correspondent, Shem, he's back, and he's going to tell us all about it. I don't know how you're going to follow up that little riff you just did with a cell phone, but we're gonna do that with the Chocolate Lab.
Call me on your Kit Kat phone?
Listen, it was tough. Somebody had to do it.
Somebody had to. You guys rocked it.
So I did.
I'd come to your concerts anytime. So let's talk about this. You got to experience it, which is so amazing. You walk in, and how many flavors? It's a customized lab.
Oh, there's almost too many flavors to even count, and I got a chance to really experience it. I think you used the right word, to be creative and make my own chocolate, and maybe got a little something later on.
And you get to go wild with it, pick whatever you want.
Whatever
or they
you
suggest
want.
Maybe not.
Well, you want to fit ones that kind of fit your personality, right?
Yeah.
So and your taste buds, of course. And I did many times over.
Okay, let's take a
many
look.
times over.
Welcome to the very first Kit Kat Chocolatory in North America. We want people to come in and reimagine what a Kit Kat can be. We've integrated subtle cues of the chocolate bar throughout the store. So these wood panels sort of look like a Kit Kat finger.
Yes.
We've got the floor tiles, 4 fingers in each direction. And my personal favorite are the lights, which were actually designed in the dimensions of a Kit Kat finger.
Welcome to the Chef's Table, Sham. This is an exclusive experience. It is a 45-minute experience where you can come and learn all about what makes chocolate it is what it is. Basically, all starts with this one little magic bean, a cocoa bean. Cocoa nibs are then put into a large mill where they are crushed for 12 to 14 hours, where cocoa butter is extruded out and the cocoa solids is left. These are the 2 building blocks of what is chocolate. The reason why we temper chocolate is because tempered chocolate is basically shelf stable. Tempered chocolate will be firm to the touch, have a beautiful shine to it, and also have a distinctive snap sound when it is broken. And now it's ready for you to decorate. Golden berries, freeze-dried strawberries, and gingerbread pieces. Please decorate it any way you want.
Oh, almost.
Here's your created bar.
Oh, yes. Oh, come on, look at that.
There you go.
Yes, thank you. Now, look, Dina, Roger, I couldn't come back empty-handed, so I got a little something for you.
Sharing is caring with Shem.
There we go.
Well,
What'd you
thanks,
bring us?
Shem. I've got a little something for you. Roger, Dina, couldn't come back empty-handed.
Oh,
Regal, Roger.
Little
What'd you get?
something.
Oh, come on.
You got Dina Darling?
Dina Darling,
Yeah.
you're so
Can
sweet.
we pop these open?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm saving mine for Christmas. You are
Oh,
as
my.
sweet. Ooh, should I open mine too
Delicious.
then? You're as sweet as the chocolate inside, Shem.
I would open mine,
Oh
but
my gosh, look at this.
gone.
There's crisps
Look
and
at-
dried strawberries. So many choices. That's probably the hardest part is choosing.
What did you choose for us?
oh
Or is it-
gosh, I don't even remember.
I
Looking
thought
at
I
it.
saw a list
Yeah.
somewhere. Where did I see
No,
it?
listen,
This
you've
looks
got
like
dried
there's-
strawberries, you got ginger, and I think you've got coconut, I
Oh, I
believe,
love
on yours.
ginger. Thank
yeah,
you.
and all milk chocolate as well. And Roger, I
I've
think
got
you
lots of nuts.
Yeah, well, no.
Are you implying that I'm crazy?
I would never do that, ever.
He's implying that you're nutty. You are nutty.
Look at that.
But
Okay,
all very
Raj?
delicious.
This is really cool, and it actually has the best before date, which shows how fresh it is. Like this one's, I got to eat it before Christmas because it says December 12th for ultimate freshness. So there you go.
Delicious, though. You'll like it.
Twist my rubber arm. And
Thank
get
you very
this.
much.
Thanks to you right now, we have a giveaway. One lucky viewer at home can win a Kit Kat Chocolatory Chef's Table experience for 2.
Visit bttoronto.ca and click on daily prizing for your chance to win. What was his name again? The guy who's
awesome.
taking
Chris.
Chris was awesome.
Chris. Yeah. Awesome chocolatier. Loves his job.
What
So,
a job.
well worth the experience.
Awesome. I love it.
That's cool.
Thanks.
Beautiful.
We're going to have to head over there, too. Maybe get gift for Shem.
All right, we
Figure
can
out
do
his
that. I think.
flavors. Okay.
What would